Have you heard the saying, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail? If you think over this quote, you will understand why I say that organizing the tasks is important. And what would be a better way to stay organized than creating a to-do list for yourself? Writing down the tasks, however small, enhances the possibility that you will not forget to perform even the smallest one. Do you want to learn how to create a to-do list? Let's take a look.
Summer has started a new business venture, AMS Packers and Movers. Summer is a smart businessman with a large heart. He likes to give his customers more than they expect. He knows from past experiences how much effort is involved in changing residence. There are many small but important things that are likely to be missed out. He decides to email a moving checklist to each customer well before the actual moving day. This would contain details of different activities to be done during the day prior to moving out. Customers can print copies and tick off accomplished tasks or maintain similar records on their computing devices. Summer has included his company logo, mission statement, and contact number on the checklist. So, along with being helpful to customers, Summer's checklist will also serve as an advertisement for his business. Happy customers are quite likely to share blank checklists with others. Summer used a spreadsheet to create his checklist. Similar checklists can be used to create all kinds of to-do lists. Don't you want to know how to create one? Checklists can be used for various purposes. We shall create one like this. Let us begin with a blank spreadsheet. First, specify the required column headings. Then, set desired width for the columns and enter appropriate data. Format all text as required. Color the background in different colors for proper emphasis. Change the color of text to suit the background. Enhance the appearance of the title text and insert checkboxes and pictures at suitable places. Now, let us create the cover page. The top part is similar to the earlier page. We will create shapes in the lower part. Users of soft copies can click these to navigate to different pages. Insert a shape and format as required. Insert appropriate text and position suitably. Create more shapes in the same way. Build links to the relevant pages. Create the other checklist pages in a similar manner like you created the first one. By the end of this activity, you should be able to explain how to start the application. Save the document. Specify page size. Insert text. Adjust column width. Wrap text to fit in a cell. Use the merge and center feature. Format data and insert rows and columns.
Now we will create a to-do list using Microsoft Excel. To open Microsoft Excel, click on Start, then click on All Programs, and then scroll down to select Microsoft Office folder. Now click on Microsoft Office, and then click on Excel. The Excel window opens, and now click on the blank workbook. The blank workbook is displayed on your screen. Let's now save the Excel workbook. To do so, click the File tab, then click on Save, then click on Browse. The Save As window is displayed on your screen. Browse the folder in which you want to save the workbook. Then enter the file name and then click on Save. You can see that the workbook is saved with specific name. Now let's specify the page size. To do so, click the Page Layout tab, then click on Page Size, and then select a suitable page size. To change the page setup, click on Orientation, and then click on Landscape. Let's enter the text. Press the Tab key on the keyboard, and then enter the text. Repeat the same process for the rest of the text. Now let's adjust the column width. To do so, select the column, then click on Home tab, click on Format, then click on Column Width, The column width window is displayed on your screen. Enter the required value and then click on OK. Similarly, you can adjust width of other columns. Let's now enter some more text. To do so, locate the mouse pointer at the desired location and then start entering the text. Similarly, you can insert other text. Let's now learn to wrap the text. To do so, select the text and then click on Wrap Text. Notice the change made to the text. Similarly, you can apply the same effect to other text. We will insert a row. For this, first select the row and then click on Insert. Select Insert Sheet Rows. Similarly, you can insert more rows and enter text. Now let's insert the column. For this, first select the column, then click on Insert, and then select Insert Sheet Columns. You can see that the new column is added. Let's now learn to use Merge and Center. To do so, select the required text and then click on Merge and Center. Similarly, you can merge other text. Notice the change made to the text. Now let's learn formatting cell data. To do so, select the required cells. To change font style, click on Font Style. And now scroll down to select appropriate font style. Now select a suitable font style. To change font size, click on Font Size. And then select a suitable font size. Similarly, you can change the size of the other text. Let's now learn to make the text bold. For this, first select the text and then click on Bold. Similarly, you can make other text bold. Let's now learn to align the text. To do so, select the text and then click on Center Align. Then click on Middle Align. Similarly, you can align other text. Notice the change made to the text.
You have completed the activity. You are now able to start the application, save the document, specify page size, insert text, adjust column width, wrap text to fit in a cell, use the Merge and Center feature, format data, and insert rows and columns.